In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a live webinar in Kajabi. If you're looking to connect with your audience in real time and provide live value, hosting a webinar is a fantastic option, and Kajabi makes it incredibly streamlined. So let's dive in and get you set up step by step. First, we need to head over to the Kajabi website. So open up your favorite web browser and go to kajabi.com. Once you're there, navigate to the upper right corner and you'll see the login button. Give that a click. If you already have an account, you can log in using your email, or for added convenience, use your Google account credentials. Kajabi makes it easy by integrating with Google, so just choose whichever option suits you best. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center in Kajabi. Next, what you'll need to do is open up the Products tab. You'll find this tab readily available on your dashboard. Click on it to get a list of all the products you're offering. Within the product section, we're going to focus on courses, so go ahead and select that option. With the courses section open, you have the choice to either open an existing course you've been working on, or if you're starting fresh, to create a new course. Feel free to pick whichever aligns with your current goals. Once you've chosen or created your course, it's time to dive into the specifics of setting up your live webinar. Navigate to the settings section within your course product. This area holds all the customization options and features to tailor your course to your needs. Find and click on Provide a live video session for this course. This option is what allows you to host real-time sessions, directly engaging with your audience. You'll need to enter a title for your session, a detailed session description, and crucially the schedule when the webinar will take place. Make sure that the details accurately reflect what attendees can expect and when, as clear communication encourages attendance and participation. Once you've filled out these details, hit the Save button. This will create your live video session, locking in all the information you've provided. Your live session is now ready to be launched. Finally, when the time comes to host your webinar, you simply need to start your live video session. Make sure your setup, including camera and microphone, is ready to go. Launch into your webinar with confidence, knowing you've prepared everything on the Kajabi platform to connect and share with your audience effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to host a live webinar in Kajabi. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.